Alright guys, just want to do this quick video. Just bought this bad boy. Got to record when I was at the auction. It's a 2002 Ford Explorer pickup truck. Real nice. Got it all cleaned up already. 217,000 miles. I'll crank it up for y'all. Cranks right up. Got to unlock the back. There's the back. Nice clean truck. Everything's good to go on this bad boy. AC work, heat work. Nice little pickup truck. Got 200,000 miles, but it's a nice truck. I'll catch y'all later. Alright guys, another one gone. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the Explorer. Another next day sale. Another day me walking down this hill. I bought that car for $1,553, that truck, and I just sold it for $2,400. Next day flips, man, you gotta love them. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to add that the only car that we have for sale now is the Sentra. So the 2007 Nissan Sentra that I showed when I had the Suzuki, that's the only vehicle we got for sale. And the Honda Accord, of course, that I'm still driving. So that's it. Just had to add that in there. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.